Welcome! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your text size of your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, open your settings, and then there are two ways to do this. So this is the first way. Just need to click display and brightness, then scroll down until you see text size. So in here you have 7 different sizes that you can choose from. So for example, this is the largest size in this option. So if you want to have a larger sizes, it is available in accessibility settings. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So just go back to your settings, then click accessibility, and then click display and size, text size then here you can see larger text. Just want to click on that, and then here you can turn on this larger accessibility sizes. So as you can see, before you on the switch, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, but once you turn on the switch, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12 different sizes that you can choose from. So this is the smallest size, and this is the largest size that you can have. Okay, so I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.